In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete an account from Microsoft Authenticator. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to make sure that you've turned off two-factor authentication for whatever app or service you do have linked to that Authenticator app. Something like, I guess, Kik or Instagram. If you don't do that, you're not going to be able to get in with login codes since it's going to be deleted. Now, you do have two ways to delete this. The first method is actually just swiping to the left on one of your profiles. If you swipe the account from the right to the left, it's going to pop up with a section where you just have to go ahead and hit remove. And then on top of that, the other method is by going specifically into the settings on your specific account. And then from here, you'll be able to find that account and then hit remove. I'm not going to do that because I need all of these accounts right here. So we're going to go ahead and keep them on here. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.